So find a business where it's affordable to you, where it's doable for you, where it's not gonna eat up all of your time, na may training, na may support. Hindi ka na kailangan hanap ng way, hindi mo kailangan mag-invent ng something just to make money because the system is all built in it. Ang swerte-swerte natin, guys, kung titingnan mo ang business na ito, you will realize that you are totally supported by it. You are totally assisted by the training, the courses that are all free, the websites that we provide as a package, and all the live people that will be around you to help you. The only thing that's missing here, to tell you honestly, is you. To tell you honestly, it's you. Kasi kung provided na lahat, ikaw na lang ang hindi gumagalaw. You're the one who's not making it happen. And then it's not gonna happen.